Hey girlfriends, welcome to Bra. So for today, we will be talking about best bras for D cup. In theory, a bra is a pretty simple thing. The underthing simply comprises of two cups and a few straps that are meant to support the chest and keep it comfortable. But in reality, however, that's not the case. The construction of bras is deeply complex, and there's a lot of thought that goes into the structure to ensure that any woman doesn't experience pain or discomfort on their breast. This is especially true when you're talking about D-cup bras. If you've got a larger bust, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Larger busts need extra support, and the average and padded halter bando probably isn't going to provide that. To provide optimum comfort for women with larger busts, there are a few features that a brand should have. First off, we have coverage. Simply put, the more skin your bra covers, whether it's over the breast or around the band, the more likely it will keep you lifted and shaped. Also, check for some kind of structuring, whether it's pads, wires, boning, or stitching. Padding is probably the most commonly used form of support. However, there are also bras that can keep you lifted and supported without any padding at all. Therefore, you don't have to be limited to wearing full coverage or padded bras every day of the week. If you are a D cup, here are 12 bras that are beautiful, comfortable, and supportive. At number 1, we have the Rosme Balconette Bras. The Rosme Balconette Bras provides tons of cleavage and support without much padding at all. The bra is great for larger busted women who want a minimized look, but without getting their breasts entirely flattened. This bra has an underwire and lightly padded cups that provide a good boost. Moreover, its straps are wide and padded for your comfort. Number 2, we have Olga Deep Plunge Underwire Contour Bra. The Olga Deep Plunge Underwire Contour Bra looks like your average t-shirt bra. However, it is so much more than that. This bra is made from silky high-end materials. It also has cleavage enhancing cups and actually fits the way it's supposed to. Moving along, we have the Wacoal Halo Strapless Bra. The Wacoal Halo Strapless Bra actually stays up. This bra has an underwire, smooth brushed lace, and silicone interior lining to prevent slipping. The bra comes with straps, therefore you can wear it in different ways. Next, we have Ekouaer Unlined Minimizer Figure Bra. You don't need tons of padding to keep the girls lifted and supported, as is evidenced by the Ekouaer Unlined Figure Bra. This bra has a high center, comfortable underwire, and mesh paneling for shaping and lift. The bra is breathable, supportive, and feels like a second skin. Next, we have the Mannice Strapless Backless Adhesive Bra. This Mannice Adhesive Bra might just be one of the most versatile bras you'll ever buy. Since it's got no band, no strap, it's virtually undetectable under almost everything. The bra adheres to your breast with a sticky design that stays put. However, it doesn't hurt when it comes off. Next, we have the Paramour by Felina Captivate. The Paramour by Felina Captivate is an unlined minimizing bra that offers shaping and support with its cups, stitching, lace overlay, and a leotard back. The bra is both attractive and it is also comfortable. Moving along, we have Glamorise Plus Size High Impact Sports Bra, a fitness bra specially made for larger busts. The Glamorise Plus Size Sports Bra has seamless outer caps and a no-stretch material for higher impact protection when you are engaging in any activity. The bra bag stretches 2 different ways and it is made from moisture wicking material that keeps you dry and cool. We also have Bali Front Closure Underwire Bra. This front closure underwear bra is comfortable, it is supportive, and also attractive. The bra has a thick band and a U-back to keep the straps up, a subtle tonal pattern, and a front closure feature for ultimate convenience. Best of all, it keeps larger busts shaped and lifted without discomfort. The bra has a thicker, higher quality barrel clasp that is double reinforced to keep your breasts in place all day long. Next on our list, we have Just My Size Satin Comfort Bra. With tailored cups and soft stretch fabric, the Just My Size Satin Comfort Bra molds to your calves without making you feel overly confined. The bra is great for shoulder comfort thanks to its soft, wide straps and rounded design. Last on our list, we have Playtex 18-hour lift wire free bra. The Playtex 18-hour lift wire free bra is an awesome bra for larger busted women who need a lot of back support, but without all those extra wires. The bra has lift support panels, offers full coverage, padded straps, and a thick band for lift, shape, and comfort. These are some of the best bras for D-cups. The bras offer full coverage, they are comfortable and supportive. Now, make sure you read reviews of other customers before buying any bra so that you know what to expect. Now, thank you for watching our video for today. Also, if you have question or suggestion, or you just want to tell us about some of the best bra for D-cups you've ever tried or come across, please let us know on our comment section below. And also, do not forget to subscribe, to like, and also to comment on our YouTube channel. Until we see each other next time, bye!